So, what is it and what do all Zafira owners need to do? Well, what it is a drainage hole. The Zafira has several of these drainage holes to allow water to escape from the bulkheads. Unfortunately, over time, these get blocked. So, what you need to do is once per year is to shove a screwdriver into the drainage holes and clear the debris and make them open. I guess this is going to save a lot of Zafira owners a lot of head scratching of where is the water coming from, as was the case with me some 6 months prior to this video. Anyway, now you know. Ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for new videos